Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this particular session, we are going to cover a very important topic. Is the topic is and the video is very important for those candidates whose score is low and the rank is low, around 50,000 to 90,000. It means I say 50,000 to just qualified or qualified by category. So for them, I will talk how to approach to get top clinical branches in your rank with in lesser budget. So let's see what are different with different aspects we are going to cover in this video. We will cover which all states you must have it in mind while you planning for the counseling strategy, and which states you need to apply for low score. Second thing is in which round you can get the seat and how you should approach and what are the options available. In rank of, I have further segregated the rank in two different categories, 50,000 to 70,000, and for which branches how much is the expected tuition fee budget you need to have yearly before you proceed, and for upper clinical branches what should be the minimum tuition fee budget you should have. For rank of 70 to 90,000, the second category of candidates who will be falling under like further just qualified rank, for which branches how much budget for lower clinical and as well as upper clinical. Okay, so these are the important topics that we are going to cover. So be with me in this video until end so that you get benefited out of it. And if you want to avail our paid guidance services, then you can call me on 9319128677, and you can message me on the WhatsApp number in case you have any kind of query, any suggestion. Under the paid counseling guidance, we guide you through the process, through the counseling process. It covers DNB, MDMS government, that is all India quota, deemed university counseling process, your state counseling process as well as other state, means open state private college counseling process, NB diploma, CPS and FCPS, which should be the last option. In case your score is low, then you are bound to have higher budget. The score is high, then the score budget will go low, and you target low budget private colleges only if you have good score. So both are inversely proportional. The budget go high, the score should be low. Or if I say if the score is low, then you must need to have a better budget yearly. These are some states like Uttar Pradesh. We have got 7 new colleges added from this year. 350 approx seats are added newly in the private colleges, sir. I'm not talking about government colleges. That's why it's very good option. In case your score is low, you can have Bihar also as an option. Himachal Pradesh, where there is one private college, MME Sholan, and Pondicherry, the registration process and the choice filling process is going to complete by today, 18th of October. Today is last date. There are 3 private colleges. The tuition fee is around 23 lakhs per year. Rajasthan and Karnataka, these two states have got different fee structure. In Rajasthan, the tuition fee is high. That's why you have better chance to get colleges in low score. In Karnataka, there are 3 different or 4 different types of fee structure. For their domicile candidates and those who did MBBS from Karnataka, they can get seat in 7 lakhs tuition fee also. For open state, for open category, the tuition fee is 11.5. There is other quota where the tuition fee is very high, and there is fourth one, NRI quota. Okay. Telangana is also a state where you can expect some lower clinical subjects in high rank, and then deemed universities. So these are the options where you should consider in case of low rank. You need to be practical at the same time. In case you come from any particular state and due to some limitation you are not able to leave your state, at the same time you don't have very good budget to go for NRI quota or like high tuition fee, then it's very difficult to get a seat. So you need to sacrifice many things, like you need to be very open with the colleges in other state so that you have multiple options. More options you get, higher probability to get the seat in low score. So how you need to approach you must approach from the round 1. In case you feel the rank is low, then you will get directly in the mop-up registration and you will try to get a seat. That's very bad approach, okay, because you have 100% seats available. It doesn't matter whether you get or not, but you must try from the round 1. There are states where getting the seat probability is very high in round 1 itself. After round 1 you will hardly have like 20% or less than 20% seats left, okay. So you must try the counseling process, participate in the counseling process from the round 1, go for round 2, mop up, and in the stay vacancy round you will have the leftover seats or the seats where the tuition fee is high, or those seats that is left by some other candidates due to their own other benchmark or other priorities. You can get in a stay vacancy round. The stay vacancy round is a process which is the last process of the counseling, and it gets conducted at the institutional level, and in the negotiated tuition fee you can get the seat, and it's all legal. There is other way to go for NRI, but you must have a very valid certificate. I have mentioned what all certificates, documents required for NRI, and it varies state to state, and in deemed university they have different rules, and state they have different rules. You must be ready to participate in multiple counselings, okay, then you can expect a seat. In the rank of 50,000 to 70,000 for the branches like anesthesia, ENT, ophthalmology, radiotherapy, these are lower clinical subjects. The budget should be starting, if you have budget starting from 12 lakhs to 20 lakhs, you can still expect it to get a seat through the counseling process, not through stay vacancy round. Through the counseling process, online counseling process, you can expect to get a seat. In case you want to know how to get a seat, you can contact us. We will guide you through the paid counseling guidance. For upper clinical branches like pediatrics, medicine, orthopedics, TB and chest, general surgery, so these branches you need to have budget between like 20 lakhs starting to 30 to 35 lakhs. You can still expect to get a seat. The budget may be flexible, maybe going like some 5 or 10 lakhs here and there, depending on the state you are going for. But if you are open to any state, these budget are really practical. Now take a look at other bucket where the rank is between 70,000 to 90,000. It means you just qualified from general category, or you qualified from OBC, SC, ST category. In that case, for lower clinical subjects like anesthesia, ENT, ophthalmology, radiotherapy, psychiatry, you need to have a tuition fee starting from 15 to 20 lakhs to 30 to 35 lakhs. So in the less than 1 CR, you can expect to get a seat in just qualified score. For other branches which are on upper clinical side or poor clinical, pediatrics, medicine, general medicine, orthopedics, TB and chest, general surgery, if you have budget starting from 25, 35 and up to 50, you can expect to get a good clinical seat in good college. So there is no need of getting hopeless. It all depends on your budget, all your parameters. If you fulfill it and you have good counselor to guide you through the process, you can still get a seat. And because next year there are candidates who are very optimistic that next year they will get very good seat, so you can decide to go for next year also. But from last couple of years you have been like struggling to get a good score, then you have to take decision, because rather than wasting one more year and then you have next exam which will be on entirely different pattern, and so you can't expect how much you can score in that. So you need to take decision at the right moment. The counseling process is yet to start. For some of the states they have done the registration process and is still ongoing. So you plan it and do it as soon as possible, because once the counseling process for All India quota through MCC is started, then you will hardly having time to discuss with the counselors, and you will be in some kind of anxiety, and that is the moment when you lose your platform, or like get off the track. Okay, so I'm hopeful that this video is useful for you, and In case you have any kind of like need some suggestion that how we should go ahead, what are the possibilities in more detail, you can get back to us, you can message us or you can call us. So thanks for watching and have a great day. Goodbye and take care.